There are plenty of passive income ideas for students out there. From startups to real estate investing, students can get their hands on some extra cash without having to put in too much work. 1. Start a blog or website. This is a great way to make money while you're still in school. You can start a blog about anything that interests you and make money from advertising or affiliate marketing. 2. Invest in real estate. This may take a little bit of capital to get started, but it can be a great way to make passive income. You can invest in rental properties or even flipping houses. 3. Create an online course. If you're good at something, why not share your knowledge with others? You can create an online course and sell it for profit. 4. Be an Uber driver. With Uber, you can set your own hours and make money on your own schedule. It's a great way to make some extra cash if you have a car and some free time. 5. Sell products on Etsy. Etsy is a great platform for selling handmade goods or vintage items. If you're crafty, this could be a great way to make some extra money.